Welcome to Astro Barney YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is English translation of Marimuthu P's YouTube channel. Ragu Ketu transit prediction. Before we'll move on to prediction, first we'll see what is Rahu Ketu. Ragu and Ketu is one of Navagraha. Still it doesn't hold any physical identity and is also known as a shadow planet. Rahu and Ketu position 180 degree each other since it's 2 point of intersection on path of sun and moon. To make it very clear, example, let's say Rahu is in first house, Ketu will be in 7th house. Symbol representation. Rahu represent dragon head and human body, whereas Ketu represent human head with dragon body. Only these two planets always moves in anti-clockwise direction. Transit position and time. As per Vedic astrology, the transit time for Rahu and Ketu is 1.5 years. Since Rahu and Ketu moves in anti-clockwise direction, at present Rahu is in Gemini house and Ketu is in Sagittarius. From September 2020, Rahu will move to Taurus house and Ketu will move to Scorpio. That is, this transition period is from September 2020 till March 2022. Pushya Nakshatra prediction. First we'll see characteristics. You are devotional, having soft nature. You respect law and believe that nobody should be above law. Pushya Nakshatra 4 Padams lies in Cancer house. Its Nakshatra lord is Saturn. Rahu. First we'll see Rahu prediction. For you, Rahu is moving to 11th house. It's a house of gain. So actually it is a very good favorable time for you. You can earn well this time. An unexpected gain you will get. Money that you lend to others now, those money will return back this time easily. Whatever business you do, how much competition in your business, you can overcome easily those struggles during this time. If you're planning for innovation in your business, now it's time for that. That is, current technology machines might be introduced. To make it little clear, if you are planning to go automation instead of labor in your business, this is correct time for you to implement that. You can put more investment in your business. You will get support from your co-worker. Rahu moving to Venus house, it's a favorable time for ladies. Those who are planning to go job now, you will get a job to support your family. Or else, if you're planning to do small business from home, now you can give a try. Your expected things, that is your things you will be longing for longer time, right? To buy some items. Those things you will buy now. Next, Ketu. For you, Ketu is moving to 5th house. This period of time, you will get divine support. You will worship God more, even if you don't go to temple before. This period of time, that is next 1.5 years, you will go many temple. You started liking and interested in God, interested in temple, going for temple. Somebody would have interested for doing any temple construction, or if you want to give any money for doing temple construction, now you will get opportunity for that and you can give a try. 5th house also denotes children. If anybody planning for baby, you should be very careful this time. Problems in progeny property will be in a hole this time. You have to wait patiently. Bottom line, Rahu in 11th house, you will get more gain, and Ketu in 5th house, you will get a divine support. Overall, this Rahu Ketu transit is very good, favorable time for you. This is a generalized prediction. If you want accurate prediction, you have to check your individual horoscope. For prediction in English, email to astrobarney@gmail.com. The charges for prediction is up to customer satisfaction. If you like this video, please press like button and do subscribe the channel and share the videos. Thank you.